Today I'm going to teach you 3 variations of throwing 2 bottles over your shoulder. Quick video on how to do a multiplex, which you can check it up there. But today I'm going to show you how to throw 2 bottles in a multiplex way over the shoulder. To perform these 3 different moves, you need to grab hold of the bottles in 3 different ways. These are all multiplex style moves, but learning how to grab the bottles in different ways will help open up a lot more doors to different moves like I'm going to show you today. Now these moves are quite tough, so if you are just starting out, tread with caution and practice slowly, but once you've learned how to do these, you're going to open the doors to so many more moves. Right, move number 1 is like this, and I'm always going to grab the white bottle first and the pink bottle second. The grab is really similar for every single move, but there are slight changes which will help you to be able to perform these moves really easily. So, move number 1, we're going to grab like this, always. Palms away, thumbs down. Grab hold of the first bottle near the shoulder of the bottle. The second bottle we're going to grab with these 3 fingers near the top of the bottle. You see I've got my index finger, hello, in the middle. So when I throw this over my shoulder, you just want to let it hang down once you've got it in this position. Once I throw over my shoulder, the 2 bottles are going to come very separated. That's going to give me a gap to tap the second bottle, which is the pink one, with my right hand. And that tap move is an over the shoulder, and you're lifting your hand up to tap, and you're grabbing it in reverse to catch. One more time, shoulder, neck, over, tap, catch. Yes. The second move is a move I came up with many years ago and realized that grabbing the bottles in the way I'm going to show you makes this move a hell of a lot easier, and I'll show you why in just a moment. So, first of all, almost exactly the same grab as before, but instead of having the index finger in the middle, we're going to have that around the second bottle. So you want all 4 fingers around the bottle, and you want the shoulder of this one in the gap of that one right there. Okay, now what that does is when you throw those 2 bottles over your shoulder, you'll have the first bottle, which is the white one, being held by my thumb, will come lower, and the pink bottle, which is held by my fingers, will come higher, but they'll be in this kind of way. So I'll have more time to grab that first bottle and catch the second bottle, like this. Jesus Christ.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Ooh, on the fingers. This is a very tough move to get. But if I take away the second bottle, all you're doing with this one is you're throwing it over your shoulder and you're grabbing it in bear grab like this. Over, grab. And then from there, you're going to let that bottle be grabbed by my thumb, and I put my fingers out to land the second bottle into a handstall. So one more time, grab them together, throw, and you can see that that first bottle comes over really low and the second bottle much higher, which makes that move a hell of a lot easier. Right, the third variation is I learned from a famous bartender called Mr. Christian Delpesh, and he used to do this move with 2 Malibu bottles, and it took me ages to figure out how he got it. And here's my little tip on learning this move. So previously we were grabbing like this. The white bottle is higher than the pink bottle. Now we're going to do it the opposite way around. So we want the pink bottle higher, but we're still going to grab them together, okay? So the same thing, you just find the comfortable position. The white bottle's where my thumb is, the pink bottle's where my fingers are, and I'm going to throw over together. The bottles should be really close together and spin almost simultaneously with one another, which allows me to catch both on the back of my hand. Oh, they separated a little bit there, but what happens is that last move, that last throw, the bottles are closer together, so you can keep an eye on both of them a lot more easily. If I try to do that move with the grab where I've got my index finger with variation number 1, they're a lot more separated and they spin differently. So this one's spinning slower, this one's spinning faster. The same with variation number 2, they're much more separated and spinning at different speeds. So learning how to throw two objects, in this case 2 bottles, over your shoulder in 3 different ways will open up the door to 3 different moves like I've just shown you, and many, many more and other moves. So give them a shot for yourself. They are quite tough, so go a little bit slowly, but that is it. Good luck learning those multiplex moves. Until next time, see you then.